So we're here in Mexico, a different town this time. Beautiful sunset. So today we're here in the town of La Ventana to Mexico. Different scenario from Hotel Buena Vista Beach, which is about an hour and a half from here. We're gonna fish here with Felipe Valdez of Felipe Valdez Sportfishing, and we're gonna try to target rooster fish and maybe do some jigging. We'll see what we can get, but wish me luck. Oh my gosh, they're gonna hit my popper. Oh, hit it, got him. Woo! Fish on! That's what we're talking about, no waiting around. Yay, it's a dolphin! It's a mahi! That's awesome. We saw a big school jack and I decided to throw a popper here, and I did not expect to catch a mahi this close to land. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. And today we're fishing in La Ventana, Mexico. Beautiful fish.
Nice one, Luiza.
Nice. Check it out. All right, Jimmy's gonna gaff it for me. Closer.
First fish of the morning. Dinner.
Woo! Pretty awesome.
Good job. Well done.
Nice
on
fish.
the
Looks
popper.
like there's more around here.
Yeah, we got some more around the boat. Might as well catch a couple more, huh?
Let's do it. Let's throw this one in the angle. Get the next one.
What a way to start it off. Doubled up.
Woo! Nice!
Doubled
Yours
up.
is taking drag.
Holy cow. I don't know what I got. Never saw it hit.
I got a big bonita.
Oh, all right.
You know, the trophy fish.
Yes.
Bonita.
This might be the first fish that I caught that's bigger than yours.
Woo. Right on the corner of its mouth. Perfect. Quick catch and release.
So that's a bigger one there.
I think you have something different. You don't have a bonita.
No, I think I got a jack. Or maybe a rooster. I got this one on the Palomar Ninja, which is, got the other boat there. Got the other boat. Back. I'm on the bottom. I feel it rubbing. There we go. Like I was saying, I got this one on the Palomar Ninja. It's kind of like a surface jig that you reel across the surface. It only took about 2 seconds and I had one on. Yeah, and look at that. That's a good sized bonita.
Woo.
There he is.
There you go. Got you a plier.
You know what? I might be able to just lift him. It looks like it's hooked good.
It's a fatty
Check
bonita.
that out. That's one of the new. Look at all the bait falling out of his belly. 4 pieces of bait falling out.
I was hungry.
Let me show you guys what we just got this on.
Wow.
It's coming out everywhere.
All kinds
Look
of
at this
fish.
here. Check this out. This is a Palomar Ninja. It's got that bonita on it. We'll let him go. But that's one of their new colors there. It's like a blue and a pink. Just the way this thing reflects and shines when it's moving through the water, just kind of twists and turns all the way in. Attracts a lot of attention. That's what's making those fish bite on the artificial. Right on you, Luiza. Right on you. Slow pop. Oh, nice hit.
Woo!
Nice hit.
Dude, it's a rooster. No, it's a dolphin. It's a dolphin. Woo! Oh, did you see that jump? You guys. Oh, no way. It came off. Dude, that's sick.
Big dolphin,
Big
Luiza.
dolphin,
Good
yeah.
job.
I thought it was a rooster. All I see is a rooster. Going?
Right there they all are.
Looks like you got
Oh,
one.
it's a bonita. Big jacks. A lot of fun.
Yeah.
We got everything here. We
Oh, I
got
got one too.
dolphin jacks,
Wow.
rooster fish, bonita.
I don't know.
Whoa!
Double hookup.
Good job.
Woo!
Golly, these things are strong.
Early morning, non-stop action. Here with Felipe Valdez of Felipe Valdez Sportfishing.
All right.
I think I have a jack, but I could be wrong since there's so many things here. I got a jack ball. You have a jack? Yep.
Hopefully that stays in.
There it is. Let me get you a plier.
It's a fat jack. Wow. You gotta be real careful with their tails too. On these hard tails, they're super sharp. You go backwards, it's not so bad. You go forward, and you will cut yourself. We don't want him, so we're just gonna take this hook out. You notice the jacks here too in Mexico, the jack crevalles do not have yellow on their bellies and on their fins like the ones do in the US.
Yeah.
Same type of fish, but a little different species over here in the Pacific. Oh, well, and I was gonna say he almost just went swimming, but he went the wrong way.
Guess he doesn't want to go back swimming.
There's your fish. Do you care about even holding them or not?
It's all right. We can release and catch some other ones.
All right.
I have a feeling we're gonna catch a lot more of those.